Good morning from the Canary Islands and specifically Fuerteventura. Today we're going to be exploring Lobos Island. But before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's head out there. After a 15-minute boat ride, we have made it to Lobos Island. It is located 2 kilometers north of Fuerteventura and south of Lanzarote. It belongs to Fuerteventura and there are many boat companies that you can use. Yeah, the only thing is that you have to apply for the Lobos Island pass before you arrive here. It is free and you can do it online. But it is because there are only a limited amount of people that are allowed to be on the island at the same time. And that pass is valid for 4 hours, so you're allowed to be on the island for 4 hours. So there are pathways all along around the island, and we will be heading firstly to the Lighthouse, which is on the northern tip. It is in fact stated that this island is not inhabited. However, there are summer houses for fishermen, it states, but there seem to be a few people actually living here, and yeah, they're sitting outside eating and stuff like that. So yeah, it seems like people actually are living here. But the landscape is very, very unique and very beautiful. Yeah. Also note that by the harbor are the only toilets that you will find on the island, so use them. Make sure to bring enough water, snacks, food that you need for your time on the island, as the options are very limited. I believe that there is a restaurant open during the summers. However, just to be on the safe side, make sure to bring that, because there's very little shade on the island, so it's important to stay hydrated. Just show you on the map here, we arrived with the boat down here and we're currently here, and we need to go all the way up to the top here, and that should take approximately 50 minutes to get to the top. In the middle of the island, you will find this forest, this abandoned forest, it looks like, or deserted forest. Yeah, and it creates quite a unique landscape, and these are very special trees as well. So yeah, this is quite unique, and we have approximately now 20 minutes to the lighthouse. We have made it to the top of the Punto Lighthouse. It was constructed in 1865 and still stands today. Usually the only person who lived on the island was the lighthouse keeper, but in the 90s I believe it became automated, so he didn't have to live here anymore. But yeah, the view here is amazing, and you get a good glimpse of Lanzarote as well in the distance. So yeah, it's really, really beautiful. And here we have the volcano on the island, and if you feel that you have the time, you can actually hike to the top. We have finally made it around the whole island, and yeah, I hope that you can hear me despite all of the wind. But we are now finishing off by the beach. Good to know is that you should definitely bring your walking shoes, and yeah, there's no place to like sit along the trail, so either have your lunch at the beginning or end or at the lighthouse. And today we have a piece of bread and some guacamole for lunch, and yeah, it's quite windy as well, so yeah, but let's get some lunch. And that concludes the whole circuit around Lobos Island. The whole route non-stop takes approximately 2 hours, so make sure that you have enough time to explore. So we're heading back on the boat right now, and if you like this video, please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!